Instructions for cleaning jewelry using ESLOC ultrasonic cleaning solution. General precautions. Always wear appropriate protective gear such as gloves and safety goggles when handling the cleaning solution. Ensure the ultrasonic cleaning machine is turned off and unplugged before starting the cleaning process. Preparing the cleaning solution. Keep ESLOC ultrasonic cleaning solution ready. Fill the ultrasonic cleaning tank with water, leaving enough space to accommodate the items you want to clean. Add to the tank's ESLOC cleaning solution to make a 5% diluted solution. The 5% solution is achieved by mixing 50 ml of ESLOC cleaning solution in 1000 ml of water. For example, mix 150 ml cleaning solution if the tank is of 3 liter capacity. Mix the solution gently to ensure it is evenly distributed. Cleaning jewelry. Remove any loose or detachable parts from the jewelry items, such as stones or pendants. Place the jewelry into a mesh basket or cleaning tray, ensuring that each item is adequately spaced to allow for proper cleaning. Submerge the basket or tray into the ultrasonic cleaning tank, ensuring that the items are fully immersed in the solution. Turn on the ultrasonic cleaning machine and set it to the appropriate cleaning cycle, usually around 5 to 10 minutes. Drying and storage. After the cleaning cycle, remove the parts from the tank and rinse them with clean water. Dry the parts thoroughly using a soft cloth or compressed air if needed. Reassemble the jewelry item carefully, ensuring all parts are correctly aligned and tightened.